Okay, what we see here is my old furnace, which is going to be replaced in the morning, and I'll show you why it's going to get replaced in the morning. Turn on the system. Everything's on. Except for the kill switch. Cabinet switch is turned off. That's on. Okay, now we're going to turn it back on again. I'm going to show you what happens. It's on a heat cycle, and when it fires off, we'll see what we're talking about. Burners are all kicked on. It's going to heat up a little bit. And in a minute or two, it will shoot flames. And that is why I'm getting a new furnace in the morning. As you can see, it's blowing the flames right back out, cooking all the wires. And all the components. And it's not supposed to do that. And it's a very bad sign when it does that. This can be dangerous. Cause a fire. This can burn down your house. You can see the flames literally jump to the top of the cabinet. And that's a very bad thing. They're not supposed to come out of there at all. So that's why I'm getting a new furnace. So, $5,000 replacement. Here it is tomorrow morning. Okay. Bye for now.